Hello guys, Storm Serbia or Lazinho VX here. Today on August 6th, Thursday, we have a beautiful storm chase today that I have chased. It's either a very strong severe thunderstorm or either a classic supercell, but right now I will not confirm since I don't know yet. I will dive deeper into it and then I'll inform you guys. Now I hope it doesn't annoy you guys, but right there is one storm, another is there, and that's a big cumulus. Let me zoom in on it. That's an amazing, pretty good cumulus, but that's not a storm. You know? And there's another one, that's a storm, that's not a cumulus. And there's a storm there. You can see the line of storms. I'm using windy for now, but once the storm do come, we're gonna be using iRadar, so it's coming right at us. And hopefully we get some insane footage. That's what I'm hoping for. They thunder a lot, and this right here is actually extremely close to us. Extremely close, you can see like right there. So that also might become something, but yeah, you can see these line of storms just straight on heading right for us, like, and they're not weak. That's the thing too. There's these other storms behind it that might come too, and just storms in Italy. But yeah, you can see some in Serbia here, and in Montenegro, and yeah. So we hope to see something good. Here's an update. Yeah. Here's that one, and there's this. I don't know how this isn't reading it as a storm, but that's weird. Right there is a beautiful anvil. Wow. So I'm gonna move now here to the grass part, the road part. You can see the storms evolved a bit. Yeah. Here's my doggy. But yeah, you can see the storms nicely evolved. And yeah, I'm gonna try and look for pilos. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. Hello guys, we're back with some information. So there's the one storm and there's the other storm. So all of these storms there, all these lines are coming right towards us. And I don't know, there might be some precipitation right down there. So yeah, right now I'm trying to see what happens. So right there, that's our bigger focus, that storm, and that storm down there. I think there's some other storms here, but I'm not gonna do something dumb, say something dumb. So yeah. So at this point of the footage and later on, I won't be talking much in the footage, but I will be doing voiceovers since I don't know, I didn't talk at all in the time I recorded, but right now I'll just do some voiceovers. I don't know why I didn't talk. I was just lazy to talk. I was just enjoying the view. So yeah. Right here I'll do a little time lapse. Right now at this point of the footage I was talking on the phone, so I muted the clip, and I wanted this point of the video to be a time lapse, so here is it. Sorry for the shaky footage too. How the storm is looking right now, so here's how it looks. Yeah, I'm gonna wait, and in like a minute we're gonna go and drive and see what happens. So we're waiting. So yeah. It's extremely windy. Wow, it's extremely windy right now. see the structure now. Here's the storm. We're gonna chase in a few minutes probably. Wind's really kicking in. Look at that beautiful storm. Actually, pretty nice looking storm. Wow, it's actually pulling me back a little bit. There's another storm down there. And right here. Bruh, thunder just struck right here. Holy smokes! Wow. The wind is extremely strong. We're looking for some tomatoes to form. Tornadoes, sorry. I'm just kidding. Wow, you got a cute puppy here, don't you? Are you a good boy? He's a good boy. Oh my gosh. Shoot. Here is the storm. So at this point on, I will be storm chasing and not spotting. At this point in the video, I had two options. There was a roundabout, and I had two options to do. It was either that I go to the storm on the right or on the left, and I made a little mistake going to the storm on the right. Right there on the left was a storm that I sadly missed out on, and the storm I chased was this one on the right because it had higher precipitation and also it had a higher chances of shelf clouds, and as you know, I love shelf clouds. So after realizing, oh, this storm on the right is dying out, but the storm on the left is still going on and it was looking better than ever, I decided to turn around and go to the storm on the left. And at this point right here, you can see the beautiful base and the beautiful structure of the storm. It was actually a very beautiful storm, to be honest. And right now the camera is a little blurry.
Wow, look at that.
Amazing. But it was very beautiful. So look at it, it's very beautiful. this point of the video, the storm was rapidly weakening, so that what you see in front of you is the gust front. At this point on in the video, it's just gonna be driving, nothing special, so I'm gonna make a little time lapse out of it. And I mean, yeah, this is the end of the video, and I'll add another outro at the actual end, so yeah. So here's the actual end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Lazinho VX or Storm Serbia out.